tolerances on this section are critical for the stealth coating.
I've updated the schematics. Take a look at the stress points.
All right, easy now. Bring it in slowly, watch the clearance.
Clear on this side. Keep coming.
All right, bring it up slowly. Copy that, watch. Easy now, just a little to the left. Okay, it's seated, feels secure.
Torque is good on the coupling.
Confirmed. Moving to the next panel.
Sequence is clear.
Okay, easy now. A little to the left. Roger, proceeding as planned.
The pressure readings are stable on auxiliary 1.
Copy that. Moving to check the servos now.
Status update to control, we are green here.
Ignition sequence started, oil pressure stabilizing.
Confirmed. You are clear for afterburner test.
Viper 285 clear for taxi, hold short runway 27.
Roger that. Holding short. Radio check. Loud and clear.
Check the connection point here on the intake valve.
Okay, the readout on the tablet confirms the alignment is correct.
Did you secure this connection point?
Yes, calibrated to spec.
Did you verify the tolerances on the rudder assembly?
Yes, they are within spec.
Okay, lift slowly on your side.
Copy that. Clear on the left.
Watch the clearance at the top rack.
All right, bring it down 5 feet. 5 feet, steady now.
Map 1300, hold position.
We're clear on this side, approaching the stop marker.
R5 alignment is complete. Tolerances are within spec.
Copy that. Proceeding with the next sequence.
The alignment looks good on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Speed is steady at 0.5 meters per second. Keep monitoring the clearance.
Here is the finalized actuator assembly.
Thank you. We need to install this before the next phase.
The key to this stage is the calibration of the robotic arm, which handles the heavy lifting with micron level accuracy.
Be careful with that bundle. It goes into the main avionics bay.
Copy that. Making sure the routing is exact.
Check the connection on the auxiliary power unit. It's secure. Finalizing the harness now.
The projection shows the exact placement here. Make sure the torque is set correctly for these fasteners.
hand me the torque wrench for the starboard side.
Specs confirm the clearance is within tolerance.
Almost there, just a little to the left.
I have the alignment pins ready.
Looks aligned, secure it. Ensure the torque is exactly 75 foot-pounds on that fastener.
75, confirmed. Moving to the next one.
Clear on the left side, approaching hangar bay 2.
Right side is clear, steady as she goes.
Confirmed, watching the tail clearance.
Did you check the turbine alignment on station 4?
Yes, the specs are within tolerance.
We're clear for rotation on the low-speed shaft.
Torque is set on the main bolts.
Check the clearance on the actuator arm.
Check the alignment on the secondary manifold. Looks good from here. Torque is set.
Check the torque on this line, it feels loose.
Got it. Recalibrating now.
Could you pass the smaller gauge from the top row?
Sure. The alignment here seems correct.
Check the torque on the 7th blade.
Reading 25 Newton meters. Just a few more degrees rotation, hold it steady.
Got it, looks good here.
Torque is set. Final check on the alignment.